Hi, today we are at block 505 Jelapang Road. Today we are going to show you a beautiful 5-room flat that can look like an EA.
Yes, these units can be quite rare, and today we'll be showing you one such unit.
This is Nunal Farina.
And this is Ashraf. We are from OrangeTee AAG Dallas Hassan branch.
Let's take a look at this beautiful house.
Welcome home. Now, before we see the unit, let me share some details. This unit is 123 square meters, 4 bedrooms, near to many reputable schools. It is a corner high floor unit with an open view facing.
Thank you, Ashraf, for the useful details. As we come into this beautiful house, you will be welcomed by this massive hall. It can accommodate a big sofa, a massage chair, and even a swing.
Even the dining area over here is huge and can accommodate up to 8 guests, perfect for holding family gatherings. Now let's take a look at the master bedroom. Very squarish and spacious. You can even fit yourself a king-size bed over here and an L-shaped built-in wardrobe.
On the other hand, common room number 1 is so spacious you can accommodate a big bed, a wardrobe, and look at this beautiful view.
Let's take a look at the second common room, which is large and squarish, and you can furnish to your own liking. But is that all?
Not at all. They have created another room, which is a 4th common room, which is good for the kids and also elderly. Now let's look at the best part of the house, which is the big kitchen, which also comes with a service yard.
There are so many other features about this house, but we can't show you all in this video.
But you can always call us to find out more.
See you in the next video.